Say happy Saturday. Say hey. Good job. So we out here in the wilderness. We're at Cochran Mill Park for a picnic. This picnic is long overdue. We were supposed to go the Sunday after Disney on Ice, but that never happened. But here we are. There is a waterfall, so we're hoping that we can find the waterfall wherever it is. We just got here. We've never been here before. The lady who shot our maternity shoot actually suggested that we come here to do our maternity shoot instead of where we went. Where did we go for our maternity shoot? I forgot the name. I'll tell you the name. Let's get this adventure started here with all this crap. Ooh, you took your shades off? You always do.
This father, we going anyway.
It's right there. Bite of the infamous public sub. Let's see what it's talking about. Ooh. The bread a little hard, but it's good. It's up there with Subway and all that. Oh, wait a minute. Come over here, Mama, for your little nitpick. Well, not yet.
Why is it open?
Now, who told you to get one? Here, just one. Here, you get it. You hold it. Good job.
Yeah, we get the umbrella bird.
Me too. Warm out there. If you happy and you know it, clap your hands.
How long you want to say it? I know she happy.
I know. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Y'all see y'all cousin down there? He do too much. Be careful. Chill out. Just stick your feet in. Stick a toe in. How? No boo boo. And so much you one by one, hurrah, hurrah. That's why they say the park closes at dusk. Cause ain't nobody got time for these animals, creatures, critters, and none of that be coming on out. What you need out of there, man? What you need out of there, Rainy? You trying to get some snacks? Look who it is on your bag. Look who it is on the bag. Minnie and Mickey. Minnie Mouse? Yeah. Minnie Mouse? You see Minnie? Good job. Yep, Minnie's right there. Good job, Stinky. Yeah. Where's Minnie? Yeah. Where's Mickey? Good job. Where's Mickey? Where's Mickey?
I think the lady at Kroger's. Yeah. Say yeah. You're just talking to it.